What is up, Gistic here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to permanently delete your Facebook account. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so the first thing you need to do is log into your Facebook account. So go to Facebook, just log in. So once you're logged into your Facebook account, click on the help icon. Then you want to click delete account. And then go down to the third one where it says how do I permanently delete my Facebook account. Click on that. And then you can read all this if you want, but it's basically saying you cannot reactivate this account once you do this. You'll no longer be able to use your Facebook account, obviously, because it'll be gone. And yeah, this is saying it should go off their system, but I don't know if I trust Facebook. Or you could temporarily deactivate your account, and then you have a chance to get in your account back if you change your mind. But right here where it says how do I permanently delete my account, it tells you how to do it. So you got to click on the arrow, go to settings, click on the arrow, go to settings, go to your Facebook account, your Facebook information, sorry, and then right here it says delete your account and information. Just click view, and then you can choose to deactivate account or delete, but we're going to delete account. Then it asks you to put in your password, so just go ahead and do that, and then press continue. And then it's saying confirm, and this does take 30 days for it to fully delete, so you have got time to change your mind. And Facebook will also keep asking you why you've deleted your account. Just ignore those messages unless you do want to tell them why, but you don't have to. And then you want to click delete account, and now it says your account is scheduled for permanent deletion. But if you log into Facebook within the next 30 days, then you'll have the option to cancel the deletion. So anyway guys, I hope this video did help you. If it did, please hit that like button. If you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button as well. And also, if you have any problems, please leave a comment below. And that is it from me guys. Have a wonderful day and peace out.